Hi everyone, welcome back to Gwen Jikoni. On today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make these slow cooked beef shanks, commonly referred to as ossobucco. But before we begin, if you're new here, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get started. On a large skillet or pan, heat some cooking oil till hot, dust your beef shanks, then place them on the hot oil and allow them to brown on both sides. Be patient on this process because it could take a little while. As this is going on, preheat your oven to 100 degrees Celsius. Never skip this process because it's a flavor building process because it is sealing in all the juices in the meat. Allow me to plug you in with my two recipe books. One is a breakfast recipe book with mostly gluten-free recipes, while the other is a dinner/lunch recipe book, each with a meal plan. Details on how to get either or both is on the description box below. Be sure to check it out. Once the meat is all browned, set it aside and repeat the process with the remaining pieces. On the same pan, add in the butter and allow it to melt. Then add in the diced onions and stir them in to get well incorporated with the butter. Follow by adding in your diced carrots and stir and cook till translucent for about 8 to 10 minutes. This is a flavor building stage. You should not skip it at all. Next up, add in the minced garlic and any spices you might be using. Mix them and allow to cook till fragrant for about a minute. Remember to season with sea salt and black pepper. Time to add in the red wine vinegar, then stir. Pureed tomatoes go in next, then you stir well to combine and allow to cook for about 2 to 5 minutes. You can cover your pan at this point, but keep stirring occasionally so that the tomatoes cannot stick at the bottom of the pan. Next up, I'm adding in the rosemary, the thyme and the bay leaf. Then I stir. Deglaze the pan with some beef stock or water and scrape off the bottom of the pan for those delicious bits that might have stuck. Finally, add back the beef shanks together with the remaining beef stock or water and cover for it to simmer. Once simmered like so, transfer to a preheated oven to slow cook for about 3 hours to 3.5 hours. Alternatively, you can use an electric pressure cooker or a manual pressure cooker for about 40 to 50 minutes, or cook on low heat on the stove top for about 2.5 hours till the meat is tender. Once cooked and it is so tender, you can garnish with cilantro, which is dhania, or chives or even parsley. Remember to go through the detailed recipe, which is up on the blog. Just look at how delicious that beef shank looks. Perfect with any side of your choice, be it creamy mashed potatoes or some chapati or even naan or some fluffy basmati rice. The choice is all yours on how you're gonna serve this. I served mine with some creamy mashed potatoes. So good. This is it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, and also subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.